So guys, I got a comment, bro. Something happens to my PC when I connect my mouse and keyboard. They are glowing LED lights but giving no response to Windows. Is there any way I can fix it? So might be you are facing the drivers issue. In that case, just right click on this PC, go into the properties, and then go into the device manager. What you need to do here, select this driver, mice and keyboard drivers, and simply uninstall. After that, doing that, just restart your PC and your problem should be fixed 100%. But don't worry, these drivers will be reinstalled automatically. Just showing you here, uninstalling this one. Now it's unavailable, like my mouse is not working. I'm just plug out my mouse and then replug in. Here is plug out. And that's it, replug in. So now the drivers are reinstalled and my mouse is working fine. So same happening when you will uninstall the keyboard and restart your PC or unplugging plug. I'm sorry. Now the second thing you can do here, if your front ports are not working, might be there's a kind of issue, might be dust is the reason or any other. Just plug out your keyboard and mouse and put it in the back side of your in the back ports of your CPU. So this will fix your problem. But probably these are the situations when your mice and keyboard is not working. After doing this will fix your problem. And if you have a like decent keyboard and mouse that have own software and drivers, then go on the official website and install those drivers. As I said, I'm using Razer Viper Mini, so in case if I'm going Razer Viper Mini software, so here I'll get the software and drivers easily. So that's what actually I just want to say to you. Go on the official website and download the official drivers for your mouse. I hope guys your problem should be fixed 100%. See you in the next video. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for my support and for your guide.